Now, moving on, even as 3 lives have been lost in New Delhi, all we see is an endless blame game and zero accountability. The fresh spat has broken out between the Aam Aadmi Party ministers and the bureaucrats in the Delhi administration. This war of words comes over a file on a proposed comprehensive plan for desilting of the drains in Delhi, prepared by a 3-member committee. Reports had said that the LG's office has claimed that the file, which included a proposal on the management of 18 main drains under a unified authority, was pending with the Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj since August last year. Responding to this, Bharadwaj hit out at the Lieutenant Governor's principal secretary, accusing him of planting false news in the media. He asserted that the file in question was approved on April the 29th this year and will be implemented post the monsoon.
आधिकारिक तौर पे एलजी साहब के प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी आशीष कुंद्रा को वार्निंग दे रहा हूं। ये दूसरी बार झूठी खबर आशीष कुंद्रा प्लांट कर रहे हैं, मैं आपके ऊपर कार्रवाई कराऊंगा। जिन ड्रेन्स के विषय में बात कर रहे हैं उनका दिल्ली के अंदर जलभराव से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। मैंने अभी एक वीडियो डाली है, इन्हीं के द्वारा लगाए हुए एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी नवीन चौधरी बता रहे हैं चीफ सेक्रेटरी के सामने कि उससे इसका कोई लेना देना है। दूसरी बात, वो फाइल मार्च में अप्रूव हो चुकी है, अप्रैल के अंदर तो ऑर्डर निकल चुका है, ये देखिए। और इस ऑर्डर की पहली कॉपी प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी टू एलजी आशीष कुंद्रा को मार्क की गई है। मैं उन्हें वार्निंग दे रहा हूं, आइंदा अगर उन्होंने झूठी कंप्लेंट फाइल की तो मैं उनके ऊपर क्रिमिनल प्रोसीडिंग करूंगा।
Now, the BJP hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party minister and said that the government should stop this passing of the buck and should take responsibility for the young lives that have been lost.
आपको जिम्मेदारी ओटनी चाहिए भाई, आप निगम के सरदार है। आज मेयर किसका है? आज दिल्ली सरकार का। और वहां पे तो निगम पार्षद आपका, मेयर आपका, सीएम आपका, फिर भी आपकी कोई नहीं सुन रहा। तो आपको कोई अधिकार नहीं है सत्ता में रहने का। आप मुआवजे की भी बात करेंगे ना, आप उन बच्चों के भविष्य की देखिए। अगर वो देश के आईएएस अफसर बनते तो उस मुआवजे से उनके बच्चे थोड़ी लौट आएंगे। बच्चों का कोई विकल्प नहीं। आपने हत्या की है और उस हत्या की सजा भी आपको मिलनी चाहिए।
Now, we have breaking news also coming in ahead of or amid the parliament session. The Aam Aadmi Party is staging a protest against the Lieutenant Governor, demanding the resignation of the Delhi LG. Let's listen in to Sanjay Singh. In fact, we'll get you that voice. We are showing you currently the visuals on your screens of how Sanjay Singh and AAP MPs are currently protesting. They have placards in front of them and they want the LG to take responsibility and for the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi to resign. The blame game and politics over this matter continues. A real passing of the buck is in progress over this desilting report and the general issue of desilting in New Delhi. Pragya joins us now. Pragya, what is the Aam Aadmi Party's contention and what is their accusation against the Lieutenant Governor?
Well, I would say that they are still saying that this is the fault of none other than the LG, and they are saying that as we don't have any power, and in fact, as we don't have any right over the bureaucrats, we can't do anything. We are helpless. The Supreme Court decision of giving power to Chief Minister should be restored. This whole, blame has been shifted on to the Lieutenant Governor, is what Aam Aadmi Party leaders are saying, and this is exactly what and why they are protesting here at the Parliament. Their demand is that LG should resign, LG should be held accountable, and charges should be framed. And they're also saying that because of these deaths, they are also telling everyone that despite the fact that they have mayor, that they have MCD, and that they have Delhi government, they have no power over the bureaucracy, and they can't take any decision regarding any of the desilting. In fact, they are saying that Saurabh Bharadwaj is speaking again, time and again about desilting. He has been writing to LG, has been writing to the officials. There is a one stance that they have taken, which is that LG has not done anything and LG has stopped bureaucrats of doing anything. so that Aam Aadmi Party could be proved inefficient. However, we also have input from our sources from LG office, where they have said that LG has written time and again to the bureaucracy and to the government as well, and to the MCD to ensure that there is enough resilting, there is sewage, there is cleanliness ahead of the monsoon session. All of that has been done from the LG office as well. However, it's now the lives are lost, but it surely is a blame game between one office and another office. And, at the receiving end is only Janta, only the people who are taking this blame game. And, this is very surprising, but all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are not, even ready to take responsibility of what had happened. The lives have been lost. It's okay if you shift the blame game. It's okay if you do the accountability blame game at all. But the fact of the matter is that you should take first responsibility.
Right.
You should address the issue so that these incidents will not be repeated in the future. And this is exactly what is not happening on the ground right now.
Absolutely. Pragya, whatever the incident that takes place, it appears to be a templated sort of response, blaming the Lieutenant Governor. And so really speaking, there needs to be some kind of resolution. We hope that there is justice for the 3 UPSC aspirants who passed away tragically on Saturday night. Pragya, I thank you for joining us. Viewers, we are slipping into a short break at the moment. We'll be coming back with more news and updates. Stay with us.